Come unbox rare tech deck Skateparks with me. Found these on eBay for a great price I could not pass up on. I went with the PROD Skatelab set. Both were still in box and were basically brand new. Also came with the PROD OG tech decks. We picked up the Skatelab number 1 and Skatelab number 3. These two are the best from the collection in my opinion. This is how they both look built. So much better than the new park sets that have come out recently. 10 out of 10. Fingerboard session video coming soon.